Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Ringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Indo Rama Synthetics. Indo Rama is the ticker name. You can see it here, and right now you are watching the monthly technical chart of Indo Rama Synthetics. You can see the price trend history of the stock. We have data here since 2003 onwards up to 2017 November 4th. Okay, along with the price trend chart, you can also see the technical integrated graphs that I'm using here I deployed on this particular stock. You can see RSI graph, MACD graph, momentum graph, IDX graph, money flow graph, etc. Besides, I'm also using super trend, Darvas, and moving averages, zigzag, etc. Now, if you look at the super trend path, price trend path of this particular stock, in 2004 itself, somewhere in 2004, the stock has reached its peak, and that time it was trading at 111, nearly 110 rupees, etc. I mean, approximately. And after that, a negative super trend has set in, and the stock has lost its price, and it started going down. And every time, no, it is trying to rise its peak, but every peak is lesser than its previous peak. See the I'm putting crosshairs here for your understanding. See, this is the thing, and then the next peak at this level, and the next peak at this level, and next week at this level. See the so what is happening if you join all these peaks, then what happens is, like, you get a straight line, a sloping, a line that is going down, a line that is going down like this. Okay, so which clearly indicates that the price of the stock is going down clearly. So how is it making new lows? If you keep the crosshairs here, then you can clearly see that the stock, the bottom point, the lowest bottom, uh, this stock reached was in February 2009, and that time it was trading at 8 rupees 30 paise. After that, slightly above. Okay, this is the point, I think so. And 12 rupees 69 paise is the next bottom. Okay, and this it reached in 2013, and nowadays it is trading at the bottom. The recent bottom price it was 24 rupees 36 paise, somewhere around. So that much. So what I'm seeing is, like, it is not making new lows, but you can see a sideway movement here, a clear sideway movement. Okay, and most majority of the time, the stock has been under the influence of negative super trend mode, and right now it is under the positive super trend mode. Though there is a positive super trend, the stock still is under the influence of sideway movement pattern. Okay, which is not good for long term investment, from long term investment perspective. So this stock has crossed its 50-day moving average and 20-day moving average also. That is a good sign, but still other indicators, the guiding points drawn by the indicators are not good. Look at the RSI. Even the RSI is also trading, moving between the overbought and oversold conditions here. Top lines 80, 80 and 20, and it is not showing the correct strength of the stock, and the strength of the stock is too wavering. And look at the MACD. MACD is, like, both lines got converged, signal line, red line, and both are at the baseline, are meeting the baseline, and the histogram bars are actually, very difficult to see. And look at the momentum is just sleeping on the baseline. Actually it is below the baseline. And look at the ADX, direction strength of the stock. The direction strength of the stock is increasing, is rising actually. Okay, but nowhere we are not seeing such kind of thing here. Sometimes, the indicators, that is the reason why we use more than 7 8 indicators to understand and to judge, actually to correctly guess, to give us the right truth of the movement of the stock. Actually, if you just go by the ADX, then we can clearly see that the since the direction strength of the stock is increasing. So right now the direction is in the green. I mean, that means in the price of upward movement. So we may think that the price of the stock will be, would be rising, and then we may invest in the stock. So that is wrong. Sometimes, most of the times, I mean, it is like, indicators are, we can always take an indicator guiding point with a pinch of salt. So we need to use our experience. Based on our experience only, we can understand how far we need to take the indicator judgment guiding point, and how far we have to use our own experience, and conclude, come to a decision. That is the reason. That is a magic of the technical analysis. So it is not just if you know how to use a technical indicator, then that knowledge itself is not enough. Actually, most of the time the technical indicators give us wrong signals, and you need to understand that when the particular stock is when the particular indicator is throwing a wrong signal, and when it is showing us a right path. Okay, right now ADX is throwing a wrong signal here. Look at the direction strength. Everything is misleading here. Everything is misleading here. Everything is going down, but the strength of the stock is increasing. That's what it is showing here. So which is not happening. And look at the money flow. Money flow is going down. So considering all the guiding points of all the indicators, I think that this particular stock is not good for long-term investment until it comes out of the range bound movement. Okay, so since this is under the influence of a positive super trend mode, I expect that if there is a good strength and momentum, then the stock has the opportunity to break out of this range bound movement. But if that doesn't happen, then this is not recommended for long-term investment. So until it comes out of the this range bound movement here, the sideway movement, I don't recommend this stock for long-term investment. So this is the conclusion for this particular stock. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.